gel nails feel and how to create your own glitter gel with the Pottle products coming up. Let's do Pottle Patch Up Kit unpacking. So here we have instructions, kit contents. This is the pottle itself, both pot and the bottle in black color. Here we have LED lamp, portable, so cute. It actually looks like some mirror or something. No wipe top coat, a glossy one. What's in here? Oh, this is the cord for the lamp. It's USB, so you can use it with your computer or with a regular charger. Orange wood stick and a kit to fix a broken nail. Alcohol prep pad, a cute travel size file, nail form, a clear one, glue, small buffer, and a tiny oil. What else? Here I have a clear wand for mixing gel and extra brushes for the pottle. I also have some nail files by the Pottle, and in case you're not familiar with this product yet, there are two colors, black and white, and this is basically 2-in-1. It's both a pot and a bottle. So we have two spheres now, so you can mix your gels or glitters better. Once you open it from the top, it's like the regular brush and you can apply any color or glitter, and you can also open it up from here and use as a pot gel. This is Plasma Gel, a new product by the Pottle, and I was so excited to try it because you can use it for fills, for building structure, encapsulating, and even adhering stones. I prefer using a brush from the bottle, so I will pour it into the Pottle so I can comfortably use it. See, now I can easily apply it just like the base or a gel because I need to feel my nails. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at them, and you can see that unfortunately I lost my stones. I guess I didn't secure them deep enough. I decided to switch to a shorter length and also slightly change the shape, so I will file them down about this and we will turn them into square or maybe some kind of a coffin, since the shape was a bit tapered, and I just start by filing off the length of the nails. When I'm done with the length, I'm going to file them underneath a little bit because I want to make them thinner, and it is better to do it from underneath since the original shape was almonds and it was tilted a bit downwards. Now it would be wise to take off the extra thickness from this side. And then we are going to file off the color from the top. And yes, I have to admit it was a bit sad to take off these nails. But also, I think I set a record for doing infill only after 3.5 weeks, because normally I wait at least 5 to 6 weeks, and here, since I have a dark color near my cuticles, it's pretty obvious once they're outgrown, because normally I had clear or nude nails and no one could tell that they're actually that outgrown. So I guess this color simply gave me some discipline. And yes, it is time to take it off, so I'm filing off the top coat as well as black color. Then we are going to shape the nails, and I am filing the free edge to make sure it is straight, and also the length on all nails should match. Also, I will slightly file the sidewalls. We do not have any product lifting this time, so there's nothing to worry about. When filing square or coffin shape, sometimes it's so helpful when you turn the hand like that, so you can actually see if the line is straight or not. So I guess we will have something like a slight coffin after all. Now it is time to push back the cuticles with the pusher and do some cuticle work. I will start with cuticle prep with E-file diamond flame bit with a red abrasive mark. You guys often ask me about the speed, and I have to say it also depends on the power of your E-file, because mine is very powerful. So for me 14,000 rotations per minute is enough here. So I'm pushing back the cuticles and now working at forward mode, and once I'm done with this part I switch to the reverse mode and will do the same on the opposite side. Trim the cuticles with the scissors, and now we have a clean nails ready for the application. So plasma pottle gel does not need any primer or bonder, so I'm only going to use dehydrator on the outgrown part of the nails, and I am not going to use primer. Since plasma gel does not need any additional base coats, I will use it as the base coat as well, and first we'll apply a thin layer not only on the outgrown area but on the entire surface, because it works best for me when we are smoothing out the surface first. But make sure that the layer is very thin and you are not touching the skin. Then I'm going to cure it in LED lamp for 30 seconds. When you apply it like that, you do not need to cure each nail. You can apply it, let's say, on 4 nails and then cure them all together. Here's a simple tip I learned when I was working on this video. If you want to work with this brush from the pottle, I recommend you to prep this plasma gel in the pot and let the brush sit in the gel for at least a couple of hours, so it will be actually saturated with the gel and it will be so much easier to work with. Because once it's brand new, it's not that flexible yet, so make sure you cover all areas and do not miss the spot. After curing, it is time to apply the product near the cuticle and to rebuild the apex. I took a large drop and place it near the cuticle and start working with the brush from the right to the left almost all the way down, but I do not need to add too much on the free edge. I already have a product there. I just need to rebuild the apex and add a little bit to the sidewalls as well as to the cuticle area, and then cure an LED. This nail was okay, but for some of them I will definitely need to use this paper clip due to my puffy sidewall, so I can actually push them back and apply the gel without worrying that my sidewalls will touch it. And by the way, guys, this gel does not heat at all. Like, I didn't have any heat spikes, and that's so surprising for me because I have a very thin nails. I always experiment on them like all the time, and I'm really used that almost all products they have heat spikes on my nails, especially the clear products. But I did not have this one with the plasma gel. On one nail I felt a very slight warmth, but it wasn't a heat spike, so I am impressed. Meanwhile, we are almost done with the application. Make sure you fully cure them, and this is what we have right after the application. As you can see, we do not really need to file a lot. Now let's take off the sticky layer and make sure you're not touching the skin when doing this, and also you need to remove the entire sticky layer, because if you won't and you will start filing or buffing, this sticky layer part will get into the dust, and girl, you do not want to inhale it. I will use a 180 grit buffer and slightly buff the surface. That's all I need. Remember, we already shaped the nails, so there is nothing to shape, and this gel is so soft when it comes for filing, so buffer is really all you need, and a good application, of course. As we are approaching the nail art part, I was thinking to myself, I have clear nails finally, and I can do these glass nails with glitter. I was thinking about them for a very long time, but never get a chance to do them on myself, so now I finally do. This is what we have after shaping and buffing, and let's add some colors. I will use a stained glass with a pink, just one drop, and a chrome silver powder. So we're going to mix them into the plasma gel to get a new color. I'm not sure yet if it's gonna be pretty or not, but we will find out it very soon. Do not add too much glitter, even though I know it's tempting, because once we get a glitter overdose, you will need to add more gel. Now let's add this sphere. I have no idea how should I call it, a ball, to make it easier for mixing, and then I will close it and use the same brush to apply the glitter. I really hope it will come out nice. My goal and intention was to create some kind of a slight pink glitter, and since I do not have a rose chrome powder, I mixed a silver one with a little bit of stained glass paint. And I think the outcome is pretty good. Also, I really wanted to have nails that are a bit of transparent. So originally I was thinking of just applying this color on the entire nail, but then I thought, well, that's kind of boring. So I will just apply it halfway, and then I'm going to do a fade with the ombre brush. I think it looks even better. Now let's continue. So I applied only halfway. Oh my god, I just love this look when the nail is slightly see-through. For some reason, the majority of my clients, they just hate it. They do not want their nail to be see-through, but I personally think that's kind of cute, you know. Then I do the fade and we fully cure it for 1 minute, and now it is time to seal it. I will use a no wipe from the bottle, and first I would like to seal them underneath because I want a glass transparent nails, so we need them to be glossy from all sides. And also I was filing a product underneath, remember, and we want to have it all smooth from all sides. When applying top coat from underneath, do not forget that you need to cure with the palm up for 30 seconds in LED, and then we're going to seal the nails from the other side with the top coat. And also, since this glitter is a little bit uneven, I tried rebuilding the structure a little bit with this top coat, and it totally worked. So what I mean by restructuring the nail is that I simply apply a thin coat first, and then I add a drop on the top and simply slide it from one side to the other, and now we have a perfect smooth surface and we do not need to worry about the small glitter particles. Yay! I will finally have a glass glitter nails. I know when I've been doing so many crazy and bright designs, it probably sounds kind of weird when such a simple nail art makes me happy, but it does. So this is the result. Let me guys know what do you think. I will leave the links to the products that I use below so you can easily find them. I would also love to hear your thoughts about Pottle products, plasma gel and Pottle itself. I've been using it for a while now and it really makes our lives so much easier, and it was my first try of the plasma gel and I think it's pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. If you are first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new tutorials just like this one every week, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye!